Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. My name is Adasha Mai. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. Doesn't matter which astrology you follow, just watch the signs as they apply to you. It's for the week of 15th to 21st of June 2020. It is not gender specific and the roles can be reversed, so please take it as it resonates for you and your connection. I'm covering overall energies, and please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services so that I can help you, as well as my Instagram and Facebook links to follow me there. And I'm doing giveaways for the sign with the most likes every week. For now, I will be doing a bonus reading, so they will have a general and an extended reading for the next week. So remember to like the video as you're watching, Libra. And I'm doing a free private reading giveaway when I've reached 1,000 subscribers. So help me get there by subscribing if you haven't done so already, sharing my channel, and obviously liking the videos. And leave your name and email address in the comment section below of any of the videos. I will randomly pick someone from one of the videos when I've reached 1,000 subscribers for the free private reading giveaway. But let's take a look at what's happening with you, Libra. I've got a lot of very content type of energies coming through for you. I channel the energies. I do not necessarily read the cards. So I'm going to give you what comes through, Libra, and I feel a lot of balance within you for this week. And the first card that came out was the reversed Seven of Wands, and Seven of Wands is about fighting something off, or having difficult situations you're trying to be on top of. And having it in reverse, I feel that you are not fighting, you are not pushing, and you're not fighting. I do not feel that you're not on top of things, not at all. I rather feel that you are you're just done fighting, and you're done fighting for time and commitment with your person, or you're not in the energy that you are going to be fighting or chasing this connection at all right now. You're not going to fight for a commitment, and you're not going to fight for spending time together. Yeah, Libra, with the honeymoon card that says enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. I do feel that you do want to spend time with this person, you do want to make commitments, but you're not going to fight for it. You're kind of just in that energy of being patient and waiting things out, waiting for everything to fall into place with the Patience Please card. And this card says what you're asking for is coming about. Have patience, as there's unseen factors that needs to occur first. And this is exactly what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling in your reading today. Is there's unforeseen factors that needs to fall into place here, and you are just practicing patience, being patient about it, not pushing, not chasing, and not fighting for commitment and time together right now. You know that everything is not perfect. You are not perfect, your person is not perfect, and the situation is not perfect for that right now. Whether reverse the Emperor is about perfection. It's the fully awakened divine masculine who has embodied all the other kings. He's in control, he's a strong leader, and he's got it all together. He's the perfect man. Having this in reverse tells me that there's something that is not perfect right now. The timing is not perfect, and you know that your person is not perfect and you're not perfect. There's things that you are both working on right now with this reversed Emperor. And you're keeping an open mind about it. You know that your person is different to anybody else, and this connection is different to anything else. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. You may have gone through other experiences where you got hurt, and you may have gone through similar experiences, going through separation. This, however, you know is different. I feel that you know this is different. Your person is different, and the situation is different. It's something out of your control. And you are, by being patient and not fighting and pushing for anything right now, Libra, you are healing the situation, and you're healing yourself, and I feel that you are healing your person as well. Healing yield healer, healing energy surrounds you and the situation. So both of you are going through a healing process, or at least you are going through a healing process. The situation is healing. I feel there's a lot of healing energy surrounding you and your twin flame or soulmate right now, and whatever situation you are dealing with. And you are very open-minded and patient, yeah, Libra, which is really nice energy to see and feel. And this connection, and you and your person are all going through a big transformation with the death card. This is about death and rebirth. This is about endings and new beginnings. And I feel that this connection are going through a transformation. Having to leave certain things behind and going towards one another. Death is also about ego death, having to leave your ego behind. But it's also about leaving situations behind, coming towards your twin flame or soulmate. What I feel here is that both of you are going through a transition in the sense of a codependent situation. The codependency card came out. And this card says addictions are affecting your love life right now. Codependency can be addiction. So for some, there might be addiction, substance abuse, or but it could be any kind of addictive behavior, even like, you know, playing with someone's emotions or whatever the case may be. But codependency can also be having someone dependent on you for emotional support or financial support, or being dependent upon someone else for that. And the next card that came out tells me exactly what this codependent situation is. It's children. There's children involved, yeah. It is financially dependent, okay, either on you, Libra, or on your person, or both. There's children that needs to be taken care of, yeah. And for that to actually work, this whole connection have to go through some kind of a transformation, and maybe a financial situation needs to transform here with the codependency, to actually support these children that are involved here. And this is why you are so calm and open-minded about it, because there is things that needs to be resolved. There's things that needs to be left behind. There's things that needs to be transformed. And you know, fighting and pushing for something right now is not going to work. This situation is just not, it's not the perfect time. It's just not, there's things that needs to occur. There's definitely things that needs to be, that's been happening behind the scenes, yeah. And things that needs to be taken care of first, and patience is absolutely required before you and your twin flame or soulmate can actually be together. But I feel like whatever situation here is going on for you, Libra, you are definitely moving towards your twin flame and soulmate in this connection, and actually working towards that. It's not, yes, that everything that's happening here is to actually make this offer of love with the Knight of Cups. And this is going towards your twin flame or soulmate, making that offer, and this is what you're working towards here. I can clearly see that, but it's a transformation that needs to take place here, which is going to require some patience. And yes, as I said, the Knight of Cups is coming towards his true love and his first love, and love at first sight, and making that offer. And you know this person is the one for you. And the two cards that came out here just validate that for me as well. With the romantic feelings, that says your feelings are real and worth exploring. So whatever you're doing, you know this person is worth it, and your feelings are real, and it's worth it for you to go through this transformation, whatever that is, and moving towards your twin flame or soulmate, even if it's going to take some time, even if it's going to require some patience, and even though on the surface it might not look good or perfect right now, this is definitely what you're working towards, is actually ascending this love life of yours to a higher level of commitment. which says the basis of your question involves your romantic life, which is now changing for the better. You are working towards changing the situation and coming together with your twin flame or soulmate here. Yes, definitely. This is really peaceful energies, Libra. I do feel that longing to spend time with them right now, Libra. I do, but you're not going to fight and be difficult about it. And you're not going to fight and be difficult about making commitments now. You know it's not the right time. You're going to have to be patient for everything to actually transform and fall into place here, so that you can ultimately have this commitment with your person here. But I'm going to leave it here, Libra. Let me know what's happening and how I can help you. Check the description box below for information on my private services to help you. And remember to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and liking the videos for the bonus readings, and leaving your name and email address in the comment section below for that free private giveaway reading that I'm giving away. And I will see you soon in the next video. Namaste, Libra.